Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If microphone is not working along with your Skype app, then watch this video to fix it. Now the first thing we need to do is to select the correct microphone in the Skype app. So we'll open the Skype app and we'll click on the three buttons, click on settings, and we will click on audio and video. Now we will click on this arrow here and this takes some time to load. So we will click on the arrow till the drop down menu appears and we will select the correct microphone. So I am using this microphone, so I will select this. And the next thing we need to do is to check whether the permission for microphone is enabled. For that we need to right click on the start bar, go to settings, click on privacy and security, and then we will look for the microphone app permissions, microphone, and then we will look for Skype in this and make sure that the on radio button is enabled. This should normally work. The solution should normally work and the microphone should be working fine with Skype if the solutions are implemented. But if it doesn't, then we will repair and reset the Skype app. For that, we need to right click on the start button, go to settings, click on apps, installed apps, and then we will search for Skype. Then we'll click on the three buttons here, go to advanced options, and we will click on repair till the screen is on, and then click on reset and reset again, and this button is on, and we will open the Skype app and it should work perfectly. Now the last solution, if this doesn't work, which is very rare, the solution should normally work, but if it doesn't work, we will uninstall and install the Skype app. So we will right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we'll go to apps, installed apps, and we'll search for the Skype app. Now we will click on the three buttons here and we'll click on uninstall. Now once that is uninstalled, we will go to the Microsoft Store and we will check for Skype. We'll check for the Skype app and then we will click on get and it will install by itself. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.